Hey guys, let's take a look at this Ninja blender. It comes with black and silver finish. Looks pretty cool. It comes with 18 ounces and 24 ounces cups. This quart is 3 feet long. I will plug it in. It is very simple, very easy to use for healthy food. Here is an example with banana and some mango frozen and some ice cubes. I just put it in it and push a little. It was pretty loud, right? But it was also quick. No leaks here. And now I have my perfect, nice smoothie. I can open it and of course I can pour it in some glass or cup, or I can take it with me just by using this lid, which is very convenient. I put it here and I can take it with me wherever I want. This is how it looks like. Really convenient to use. It doesn't take much space, and overall I like using this blender in my daily life. Thank you for watching.